Um, so we've come here, and it is the National Crafts Museum Academy with all of these different things here. Wow, so we just entered this beautiful place. Very, very pretty. These are real flowers. They're everywhere, on the ground, in the plants.
It's like the art and craft, the culture that the India has, and basically we call it as the living museum because the art and craft which has been done by the people in like back in those days are still being like done nowadays as well. So we have a craft demonstration place जहाँ पे सारे जो artists हैं they perform, they come, they demonstrate their skills also, and you can buy from them also. So once you go inside, you see there's a huge courtyard with the holy basin in the center. We have every machine, every equipment for that. You don't have to even switch off the AC. We have everything in mobile. So all those things which we can't even think of, like can be converted into an art form. It is an art. Also for a gifting purpose and everything. Then moving towards the little upper side of the circle, we have simple dolls from Karnataka. So they seem to be very heavy in weight, but they are very light in weight because they are made out of the wood ash. Plus, they are also protected against contact. So they used to put the grains from the top, it passes to the top, and then you takes up from the smooth. So that's it. So there's no way of taking off color. So we have pockets from different zones. We have pockets from and they are really living art and like people worship weeks papers. And they bring about the southern part of India, which is Karnataka, and so there's this community who are named as Kuru community, and they believe that the ancestors who have died and whose wishes were not fulfilled, they come back to the earth to get their wishes fulfilled. And in response to that, they give the offering to them, and they start worshiping so that their wishes are fulfilled. And then the main god, the main deity is the Ishwar, Shiva, and Shakti as well. Could we see the temple on the left side? One. So it's a similar. Pattern on two types of in two stages of the fabric. One is the threads and second is the fabric. When we say onto the threads, how can we do the patterning or designing on the threads? So the gallery is conceptualized in three parts only: pre-loom, on-loom, and post-loom. How the threads, how the fabric was, pre-loom, how the designing has been done onto the loom, and how the designing has been done after the loom, after the fabric. So when we talk about before the loom it's just the threads. This is where taken upon this kind of movement called as a so there, so the right. First from the shade is coming that different. So sometimes the sarees are coming from Banaras because it's a Banarasi sarees. Right. If the sarees are coming from Kanjivaram is a district in itself. Right. So we call it the Kanjivaram saree. But the process has always been remained the same. Right, we have all the textiles from northern part of India and from the on the left of India. So you will see the difference in itself in terms of designing, in terms of motifs, in terms of colors also. If you see, they have more of paisleys, floral motifs. Right. When we go towards the south, we have more of figurine motifs. We have parrots, peacocks, elephants, all those things. So right. So all these things come up because in northern we have a and very one of the very interesting object is here. So we call it any guess. Okay, whoever will guess, I'll give you a chocolate. Sorry? What is it? So what is it? Hair cutting? Okay.
Shower.
What is like?
Yeah, maybe there's a prize. Those who will answer.
Haircut. Okay, your answer is something about a haircut, right? You are saying execution. Haircut. Hair dryer. It's a mechanical hair
Right.
hair dryer. It's a mechanical hair dryer. I'm sure you can see there's a fan inside it. This is from Punjab, again from northern part of India. So in back those days, especially the Punjab region used to have very long.
Oh wow! This is the actual hut. I missed this part of the exhibition, so I just walking back and basically it's and stuff. Who miss it?
Back in the days, right? They didn't have AC now.
So this is the craft market area. So they allow us to just walk through and see if there's anything that we want to purchase. Beautiful
तनु तू ही नीचे नहीं दे रहा ये लड़का